Get TikTok real followers and likes using TTBoost, the ultimate app to boost your TikTok followers and likes effortlessly. First, let's look at the amazing results you can achieve with TTBoost. As you can see, using TTBoost has significantly increased the number of followers on this TikTok profile. Imagine the potential growth for your account. Next, let's dive into how to earn coins within the app. Coins are the currency you'll use to get more followers and likes. Simply follow or like other users to earn coins. It's that easy. The more you interact, the more coins you'll collect. Now that you've earned some coins, it's time to use them to boost your followers and likes. Go to the store section, place your order, and watch your follower count grow. It's quick, simple, and highly effective. Don't wait any longer. Download TTBoost today and take your TikTok presence to the next level. Happy boosting!